Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about one of the exciting opportunity for the interns. So if you are an intern or if you are looking for any kind of an internship, then there is a wonderful opportunity that is coming at the Shark Tank India itself. So you would have heard about this word. This word Shark Tank India is not at all a new thing for you. So let me share my screen. So there is a job opportunity for business analyst slash intern, and they are going to hire this intern for Shark Tank India season 4. The location would be Mumbai, India, and the company is Studio Next itself. This is a job type which is contract internship. The duration is up to 4 months. And as you all are aware that Shark Tank India is one of the reality TV show that helps that interacts with the startup companies, the entrepreneurs, and gets to know about the vision from them. So, if any one of you are looking forward to make your career with respect to and to understand the business that is brought by the ecosystem of startups, then this is a wonderful opportunity for you, right? And you will also have to you will have an offer like competitive salary is there, then you would get an opportunity to be a part of the team which is already there on the business reality TV show. Not only that, they are looking for someone with a strong academic record, so a bachelor's degree in business finance or a related field or an MBA would be a significant advantage. So 0 to 2 years of experience, people who are looking forward to work in a startups, who are looking forward to work in the kind of investment banking or venture capital, then this is for you. You can also be considered for your summer internship, or if you are having your masters or if you are doing your current bachelor's, then you can also apply for these kind of internship role. You should be fluent in English and Hindi. That is one of the thing. Now, how you need to apply? So you need to apply by sending your CV and cover letter to Shark Tank India s04c@setindia.com, and you need to mention the role you are applying for in the subject of the email. So only selected candidates would be notified. So you have to make sure that your CV, your cover letter is very perfect, and you should not have ex irrelevant things in your CV. You should not have any additional things in your CV. Keep your CV very short, very crisp, precise, so that it becomes easier for them to notify you. One more job opportunity that I would like to share is with respect to HCL Technologies. So let me share my screen. So HCL Technologies are looking for postgraduate engineer trainees. So if you have done your post graduation and your passed out year is 2024, if you have done ME, MTech, and then you can apply for this particular job roles. So they are hiring freshers, they are hiring graduate engineer trainees. The location would be Bangalore, Noida, Pune, Chennai, Gurugram, and as you know, the basic criteria is above 65%. Minimum 65% is fine. Okay, so this is the specialization, and there will be a service agreement for 12 months. In case you are leaving before the 12 months, you are liable to pay 50K to the organization. So here is the form that you need to fill, and you would be notified, you would be called if your criteria, if your profile is matching as per the criteria. Right. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.